This is good lettuce for siomai. And also here, I'm going to get some garlic chives for siomai recipe. Marami rin yan, di ba? Oo. Pero meron pa dito. Ayan. This is ingredients for the siomai and my lettuce. Actually, meron pa akong lettuce dito pwedeng kuhanin. Marami siya nakakalat para hindi nawawalan ng anihin. So, anytime kakain-kain you need something to eat, meron. First layer, got the next layer, and then the third layer, and then let's cover. Ooh. Turn this on 30 minutes. We have plenty here. Oh, dummy, that's a lot. Hello everyone.
Hello.
Today's another mukbang.
What are we eating? Silly question.
This is siomai dim sum. This is 100 pieces. Actually, I made 120, but just 100 is enough.
It's a different sort of diet, has to be said. Right, okay, so we've got a little bowl of sauce and a little plate.
Okay.
And I just dip them in there and eat.
I got chopstick, wooden spoon. Go on and eat.
Dip, dip, dip. Let's try this then.
I'm so excited now here. What's it gonna taste like? This is 100, my goodness. Ooh. How is it? Oh, do you want some chili?
No. I like it in like maybe like 5 pieces, 6 pieces, isn't
No.
that? Yeah.
Want some chili? Chili on yours? A little bit?
No, thank you.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm good, yeah. Yeah.
5 times spicy. Just dip a little bit. Steve, just eat. We don't need to talk.
Just make noises like
Is this a rice?
What? I don't think so. Right, okay.
I have 3.
Sound like baby elephant, like.
Oh no, I have 2. This is my 3rd. Oh, stop it!
I'm gonna win.
Ah! Just dip a little.
Yeah.
It's boiling.
Oh, that's probably where I've been going wrong. That's probably why it's been making my eyes go.
Just a little dip.
Yeah.
I'm not counting. I don't know. This is a lot anyway. You guys count.
Yeah, they're growing on me now. I'm getting used to it. Yum. Yummy, yummy. There's another one.
So, just little sauce.
Says you just drowned one.
Huh?
You just dropped one in there.
Did I?
Yeah.
No.
Look like it.
I'm so careful. Don't.
Did you not
do
drop that one? Did you not drop that one? Oh.
No, Steven, no! Oh my god, need to be careful. There's a lot of soy sauce.
I'm winning. I'm winning.
You can have some lettuce if you want.
No, I'd rather not. Not really into green things. That one was a big one.
You know what? I didn't eat all day.
Did you not?
No.
It sounds like a simple plan in practice, but when you're trying to eat like a million of these things, I mean, it doesn't even look like this picture has changed yet, Ivy. I mean, look, there's still millions of them. It's like an army of them.
You're gonna kill the army later on.
I don't think so. I think they're going to win.
You're gonna wash them off.
What?
Do you want some noodles as well?
No, I'm good. Thank you very much.
You giving up?
Yeah.
Oh, you admit it.
I can't really handle them anymore. I start feeling a little bit iffy. Go on, Ivy, you can do it. All the time.
You wait.
I'll see you guys in a bit, but these have beaten me. It doesn't even look like there's changed in number, but I bet a lot over here. There's a little bald patch that I ate. Yeah. I'm gonna go get ready for my own live stream. So yeah, you can get in the centre. You can be the proper hostess. But yeah, thank you, baby.
I'm not in halfway yet. I think this is about ready. Oh, the noodles. Yan siya. Celery. I can put some celery there. Oh. Some spring onion. Ayan siya. This is so good. Oh my god. It's gonna be hot. Oh! Yon. Oh, pwede niyo isama ang inyong lettuce sa inyong noodles. Add some soy sauce. Huwag yung may maanghang. And then I wanna try the noodles. Medyo mainit siya. Still hot. Brown noodles. It's gonna be spicy and hot. Mmm. Ito nga tayo sa una. Steve didn't help me a lot. This is 58 more. 58! My goodness. Well, nanalo naman ako. Steve nag-give up. He gave up already. Lettuce. Wrap it. Oh, diba? Masarap to. Yummy talaga. Mmm. Oh my god, so full. I hope you like the mukbang. 100 pieces siomai, but we ate half of it. Also, I got noodles too. It's pretty much heavy. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!
Thank you very much for watching Manila London. We now have a merch store with quite a lot on offer. Take a look at our Teespring from our channel page. Or you can hit a like, a subscribe or one of these tiles and stay with Manila London that little bit longer. Thank you for watching.